Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is June 3rd when I'm recording this. And yeah, so got a lot to talk about in this market. I've been expressing a lot of interesting things to the Moxie subscribers. So if you guys are interested, you can come on over for a $7 trial, 30 days. And yeah, Friday was a big day. We really started to see a lot come alive in the market. Let me show you a couple things here. We can look at breadth. And we were looking at this for quite some time. Number of stocks over their 20-day SMA. I mean, this was just languishing. It really wasn't doing much. You could see very, very poor activity was coming down and just kind of not doing much. And then suddenly we got everything to wake up on Friday. And so that's what the breadth looks like. Now, if we come over and we actually look at, say, the IWM, same kind of deal. We were just languishing here for quite some time, really not doing much, not doing much. We started to get a little bit of activity, and then boom, right there. Got a big move. And if we look at this with the Moxie indicator, and I kind of zoom in here, the last 3 times, look at that. There's your Moxie price trigger, there's another Moxie price trigger, and boom, we have a fresh Moxie price trigger. So we are really starting to see some, what looks to be more broad-based action out there in the market. And if we even look at the Dow, and we can come here and you can see right about there that it was middle of April that the market had just kind of been not doing much, just kind of withering along, moving down, and then suddenly we get a big move to the upside. So whatever the situation was, non-farm payroll, debt ceiling, you know, taking a skip for interest rates, whatever the reason is, something is going on out there, and it woke the market up, and it's things are starting to look pretty interesting. So yeah, come on over, check it out, and we will talk about more of this inside of the Moxie trading room, and I hope to see you guys there. Thanks. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.